lovies, an awesome day to you. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how I do a graduation makeup using only drugstore products. So if you're interested, make sure first to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to keep you updated. So if you're ready, let's go to the video. First is gagamit ako ng foundation. This is a Super Stay Full Coverage 24-hour foundation in the shade 310 Sun Beige. With the use of damp sponge, I'm going to apply all over my face. Next is this concealer from the same you're done with the concealer, let's set it with a powder. So for the powder, I'm going to use this Maybelline Clear Smooth All-in-One Two-Way K powder foundation to set my liquid foundation. To bake my face, I'm going to use this powder from Michigo, final powder in the shade Creamy Glow. After baking, let's go now sa brows. So I'm going to use my spoolie to brush my brows first. For my brows, I'm going to use this Maybelline Brow Drama Pro Palette. So you can use whatever you want. You can use a pencil, a pomade, or powder. Kung ano lang yung available sa bahay, you can still work with it. And I'm also going to use this Fashion Brow 3D Brow and Nose Palette in the shade Dark Brown. It's also from Maybelline. Just continue to practice and practice. Always start with that tail, then go over sa inner, just very light. Pwede mo rin siyang i-build up na i-build up. Ganun din ako before. Hindi talaga ako marunong magkilay, but hindi talaga ako nag-give up kasi kilay is life. Hindi ako naglalagay ng product dito sa inner brows ko so that there's a blending, kumbaga, parang from light to dark. Don't worry if yung kilay mo hindi pantay because sabi nga nila, brows are not twins, but they are sisters. It's to the owner sa line na yun. So you can now clean it up with the use of concealer. Same concealer that I used to my under eyes. set my eyebrows. After you're done with the brows, let's go na sa eye makeup. So, for the eyes, I'm going to use this EB Advanced Rich 15 Shades Eyeshadow Palette. A lighter shade first, this peachy center. Afterwards, dito na ako sa medyo pagka-brown. Soft smoky effect. Lash line with this EB Pro eyeliner, waterproof. EB. I'm going to use this Maybelline Hyper Cold Volume Express Mascara on my eyelashes. I'm going to use this Caroline Oil Control blush on. The nose line. The bronzer, I'm going to use this EB Pro Cheek Satin. I'll use the brown shade to put a little bit bronze on my face. My eyes, I'm going to use this from Focal Viewer. For the lips, I'm going to use Forever 21 Naturally Hydrating. That completes my makeup. So after we're done with the makeup, let's go now to the hair. So what I'm going to do with my hair is that I will curl it.